The voice.
Yes.
I was saying my one. So kununkuwa dia. Na woda wukunu achia. So wokoka wunia baby aware ho asem a no aye dey. Oye very careful. And aware na ye ware no. Obi am promising at the end of the road. Bibia betimi asi wa ware em. Enti sawo wo fu se wukunu ye oso abofo. Wo yere ye oso abofo. Ontimi mfa wachi. Wukunu ntimi mfa wachi a ese wa. Enfi wo ware achi. Emeka obi die because opomo mu ye hypocrite a eyawarefo. Oni ni kunu kontokwa. Ubuye pon na wasiri kama ahwe wanim. Enso na ayese sebe na nchibini no eni na chenchen badase ye dan pacha. Enti aware na donko oware no so be hwemu na waware ni kunu jo onu a on hwemu no ni na emu. Na se wonim na o trespass de ba Samira ba wo miaso de a ene na ye be kire wase. Because over na bro say 23 years or 25 years. Come on model mpo untimi nka. O come model also ye mad. Nana I was so call Samira on ko your pronunciation. I was so call Samira kire wade. Anyone you have been on so ye run so e bi ma da no. Wona ba kwakobu so na wo say asem a ekyem no. Wo kwakobu sa wo na wo say o se asem bi wo ho so wo kan na ware ebegu. Na ne yanso ye kan kire wo na be kan social media ni so wo kunu. Na obi ku na epewo e na wo nso wo twema wo kunu ti wo na ma wo kunu scholarship. Enti wo awurade ne onyam eni wo so. Bible so bi ware na onye awurade ne onyam favor aba no so wo favor ni wo so. Favor wo kunu so. Because one wuti sika koye be ma ho ade. Yansi amamre mu no oba anware be ma. Wo be ma na kosi oba ape na wakoye ne ho ade wakosere no. Sa na Bible ne kire Israelfo. O se obi fo bi baba wa na wo se no a won kotu aboade ma na wofo. Enti wo na wo se jo na wo san kotu aboade ma na wofo. Wo entite rotaro to era. Ayama me social media na so na make kan krofo wari asem. Because when you want to say what is Samira ni mechi uniform a ya no bi wan hwe ya oni ya be ye ya no be ko ni mu ga mu papa so da got mu ya mu bi anka say ye mu fini da enti ni ya che wo so wo de ho baba be wo e na wo de ho so baba ye den aba be wo so wagi pa ronfo wo ne nkrofo ne ho a san kokko ka che wo so we de pa we de amene wo na so de man ni shoe style bia bi ni sisterhood ne bro wo no ano ohye nti wana wo kan ye wo san wo boa ma wo so wasan ye video foforo se na nya san na apa akire era na nya san na apa akire na apa akire wo da wo kunu achi ana wo koka wo bi rasam na ona buka na nkasa in the first place asem na kan wo da mami enu ntam edi ba ko ani oba ko ni nkasa wo di nchanga yo show off. Na wo kache wo nyonko be ma yire se asema me bie ma no abeka se wan ko fosa asem we ya ma papa kababa wo we ya on sem fata no on me kasa asem we se bi emfa Samira ho Samira mpo bua mpo na donko munya na wapepa ho why shoba hu ni na ni onyam fi se de nyame esi wo to ne bu asem nyame anwe no na waye ni kama no na koshe doctor echi behind every successful man there is a woman what there behind every successful man no wonder what I know who your friend is saying man and I would share jo abeshi wachi na donko ube she yi ahye na obedi wa group pu to social media ni so bubu pa o wari ni awoto eke wakoko to eke wo social media ne so media men take woman because I know there is a no go area for me. I respect your children. Never see any sa wachi baba pa ma mene chaw.
But Kumasi Queen Paucho, what can say me de? We say our for or twerking, but twerking the your pepper and our for be I say twerking.
It's wrong. Oba worry ni nyasa.
There be any wrong about you and the beside them my about you. Ochina me worry and person me
the voice. Say ye sua bebre. Wo Indian ni a. Wa worry a wo gina twerking da Indian for some me moving po mun kinsi. Because their culture doesn't permit that.
But on bet me your fee. Okay, so you are against so
they are better social media so I know
okay. They why right, but if you did I send there, I understand you, so that one is fine. But if you
it is wrong.
Okay, that's fine. I feel no kasa.
Social media so because my will be a beauty. Also, it is wrong.
Yeah.
And says you have not time being by your son. And no worry, you saw cameras in the soa. Sabio, no bully me. Meanwhile, what your mind who also would ditch channel. Would they meet what your man be just about the baby at the channel? And as a rahab, the enemy now by your channel, fine. Who won't come be and see who quite. We are them, we are us baby. But a new social media no was cameras in Uswa and Kola show and Peliphobia so show. Now we say so content as son, copy new content. What is it another catch us our pray? One cast our sons are printing and Yamido when it was amount. I said, drawing because one two was in our for a year. Now, because one you will be what the bedding conform consenti. America. Yami was jamming. I mean, right? Tinatonado said, we'll pray. Now, the prince was social media is so what? Sana Oka Deborah Sabrasam. I said, the Deborah and Kona for your side check. One so see so Obekuna no apel. And I also the call a copy Joe. Say, if you were one as I didn't tell what to I am in Cocobiasem. Mammy or Macau, so I become one different. Name a sweater kunu, so Becau, no more papa, mammy, nature. So who the need for the air? Yeah, was a man can say IP address, Yenny maybe our. Yabba fish out so. Tell them they went to Africa City, Bobby Bois. I got now a who see us away a year. What are dying? And to be a measure, we a house owner. House now only 30 years, 40 years, he bet you now. Who be Brennan? Went to me and Jay feels something to now. Or be a house what are dying now. Won't you, Honor? And yet, dear, here. Crawford, sorry, he might compare Juma. Sorry, compare Juma. Send you social TikTok, you swap, and Kawunia Juma. Why?
You.
Said the winning will be no son will be soon you walk. Who ben your will be soon what that? When I was a son of Woku. And to Munya son, my Yamana Musoda, what's in a Monsaba, nine show sono.
Yo. Midas.
Who for the same would be after one and capable would be.
Midas.
Because one met a dodo. I said, Choma, I'm away my name. No, I said, now word too. No, I can't be canicum. Who this me? Can this if was anxious for some man people before?
Yeah.
And become people before some.
Yeah.
Now, so wouldn't now become people before some, especially some other me, I can ask someone. Now, we can show no kind of cheap. Sir, I'm not where they come in Quamasun. Or become wasum, no come wasum now, so no was soon as see.
Yo,
because was soon. And TSM was so and TSM. The West,
yes,
Mammy, me didn't know. I had Jane now Ramadan. Any Barcelona Cobo. Now, conformity and Chilebeka said, Yepe, Asimesi, Yepe way. Now, so look in the Panama, the West. And you will touch it now, or they come on.
No.
It's young this intimate chair and the Enfania day.
Exactly.
And a fragbearer.
But were you surprised? Oh, I am not surprised.
right, but all be there. Bra, only charisma, no intimidate, I mean.
Oh, no, didn't be.
All be look like of Abi, what am I saying? Aha. And two is going to force the party effect. And a baby no young fui. One also to say the jar. Say good to say, but what 20 was not about for bomb here.
What happened to Joey?
But then you're standing in dear. I want and all the Abasa so.
Right.
And somebody when me you could Jinawa. Nagana for me the every do the voice. One more which 30,000, 15,000, 100,000. Me would your mamma crack my cotton and show Chia. What water their command? So 1 year. 4 years now come, and I said 3 years now come. One sign academic year, we are on 2. And no woman who almost stupidness.
Me da say,
Kumasi Queen. And no woman who said,
Me see, you ho, in Casina expɔsɛd no second round, no. Jebeka wansem. Yes, Mr. Alex Edujemfi says that Her Excellency Hajia Mrs. Baumia has bachelor's degree, MBA, and LLM apart from her unique beauty. Yeah, Mr. Alex Edujemfi, no. Mr. Alex Edujemfi, gist me about wifey. You are congratulating her. So say congratulations to Mrs. Edujemfi. So tell us, what is the gist? Let us know. All right. The aspiring homemaker, president of Accounts Unite. Good evening.
Good evening, voice. So, voice.
How are preparation for Saturday?
Stressed. I'm stressed. We have to talk. We have to talk. You know, say voice. So I think was it yesterday and after the day before that me first and on only video, right? No, don't go video. No, that is what I saw first. And to me I'm like, wow, lady, why? And not who beba politics because me say last year Asante for ne bonofo on top cam. One doma hene koye bibi ma Asante for to man go ne so enya agro kra.
Ado ya Asante na so ebononi.
Of free Western region, I think. Oh yeah, of free Western region. Yes, no, but boys, aguna nya krom eho no free. We share history more. Aguna nya krom for the Ashantis. Omo migrate the call, right?
Okay.
So until no the no confirm mo didi na tem. And yeah, I'm say, hey, what the no about politics? And I'm like, okay, whatever na me yeah. But I don't like how
some central region of central region.
From here, central region. So no, yeah, no. Me who I'm say, hey, someone walking. So it's like to say, you know, Hajia Samira, our baby, it's like Ghana for be or manua, no matter or many years so, which is very, very bad. And some of our own people too. Or more now I saw a picture of her besides she wants the presidency even more than her husband. So it's no I say it's a see no and yet but I was waiting for Ghana's Jollo's response, but now a video no right? And I'm a corny page and I'm hearing a response. Now honestly, boys, me in a response and before I go to Ghana Jollo's response, I have to say that a Juma war yes sir will be the Nanubesi NPP who are no I go I attack me pan honestly because they say an MPP as you my Harry and will be I know the NDA internet or play defense pa so the idea all so big banners were me case year not what they are mouth so
it's good.
But boy
yeah such people but Ghana Jollof video no that did the woman see it?
I think so because yes, Ninia Abba be responding. Ninia be responding.
No
But
problem.
this is the voice. Me who no. Getting to the end, I shed tears, and I think you know why. Like I felt that way, and I mean, who said me sikranka? So I say I wish she'd just stuck to my men one fan crano. So me party I wish sang one sir.
And you're biased in that domain.
Yes. I mean and yes, but also sometimes and cry in general. But me no, and yeah, they are medicine. If you go
media and to find a quantity, you'll be able to
Mama Pounds,
Yes.
I understand that. Me
Yes.
here. But I think say me call me page now go down my page. In April, I made so many posts about autism. I have me back.
Yes. And I make us a man, and not quite a man following because of the nature of the job now. Yeah.
Yes, my me quite Mama Pounds. Me back has autism.
Oh, okay.
Moderate to severe autism, right?
Is that severe or
no moderate or
okay?
But then whatever it is, me I don't post him, but make call me page I'm a you know, it was a soft for me. Like I said,
Yes, sir. That's why man
whatever
followers, but oh Jimmy too much.
yes. Whatever Ghana Jollof a kind, like I said, no Juma or maybe who say yeah, because what do who ba or the pema ba me tears those video no response no and mommy you know for a reason I understand the whole situation, but for me, I teared up listening to the video and everything. And and so I careful because careful time will be done a banner dinner and she said it several times say a month one a neighbor kwan no quack upon a banner did dinner. So I didn't know
why you involve yourself to exactly
yes coffee fire me say no idea may or be back can be a banner watch that will kill me.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to put myself in that situation.
Because your child is the way to your heart. So if I want to hurt you, I'll hurt your child. I mean,
yes. Men koye bibia obi ebe boys. I just saw obi abuse a special needs child. I was pregnant with my second one. I went off for a month. I think so between pregnancy hormones and again I almost got crazy. So never bo ha so wunima won't enye so and this is not me mom dear. So sometimes so same crowd woman mommy her because there is no way obi beka bibia wa makasem to my NPP Debbie. It's two separate things for me. So all those say personal to me, and voting for NPP, and so something very, very separate for me. Min could Janata said Dr. Baumia Kayano, and mad odi mechi my own casa won't vote man. I will never do that. But and Kofobi when I they lump everything into one. So on to several higher car, Nayan ya share said it's basically a cano. So a minimum here. A sister, I say she has to know how to conduct herself. So, boys, when you send those notifications, right? I was on the phone with somebody. I also seen a notification, maybe, and I know what kind of say if the video is an old video, it's not a new video. And I'm saying either way, and it doesn't change anything. So she shouldn't have said what she said in that video. And I said, to me who say, yeah, I'm a person or trend you, so a person or yeah, I'm not sure. So be about a social media, so I don't know who I be. Like Mama Pounds said, you have a following because of Obama. You have other following because say or when musicians come to New York, they go to her house and she has videos.
Yeah.
Video with Kofi Kenata. So you have yes. So why don't you just stick to it? I don't
now do GhanaNsem.
So me say old video, say a new video no. Haja Samira and yeah would pen no as our veteran now didn't name to chew from. So what can't we just say na what can I be kaya ting na young kaho.
So your own has come and you are complaining. When people were talking, you see now how it's
asphalt, the asphalt.
The asphalt's rem, you were laughing at me also. They should see how they should see it.
Yes, because to be honest, unkwala bi she na me wo grant bi ne mami ensa omu nyina ye bi. And it's a severe. It's a se was
children now.
I'm telling you, me who na me follow no. Sometimes me nkwala ni bi wu a Etimi bo me yare bi 1 week 2 weeks na me nko adwuma. If you are attached to them, who was our problem? Why is such somebody like Samira who GhanaNsem?
Maybe you see, everybody has one special thing that goes to their heart.
Samira mo scholarship. Such a person and sasa wokokano.
Yeah.
Wokokana. Despite say me saa asem we no nyina na minim situation about nkwalai ni ade me si ebi wu a be ebi wo kra yi na me ntimi okoka Samira me di ni nyina ye a na beto nchen.
Yeah.
Me so me tiesi wo so.
Yeah.
That's so we careful. O ma mi ntu ne fo. Eni ni nua na wo ye nurse, wo ye professional nurse. And now wo be so saa nkwasi asem we so. Wo be so ntokwa we so as a professional nurse.
Of the man maybe also ne mama so.
Exactly.
Yo. Let's hear Kumasi Queen. Kumasi Queen, good evening.
Abusuafo mechiamo.
Ejebuzo Kumasi Queen. Diaboko.
The voice my main fan free 63 MPs no so.
Okay.
Yada almost say anye bia no. Omanyi doctor amma no mu hu say doctor kan 9 pe. Enti with 9 pe na aka ne de. So mo papa na chi domo a obetimi aba befo Ghana benjwa no. Na ade aba kwa me pese ye hye ne nso ne se obi a na nado dankwa man appointment ofi doctor chi na okodi ye papa kan achi a na o ma hyeda a hyenyura fita na omo ye party kese e de ama sa nipa no na mom se obi ba doctor ho pe omo si ei wabomusuo ebi nsida ye be hye ono aboken enipa ni na ntimi medi na chi ye ya ne sa enye yie obia wo de ope na asem enti papa sanya steka mu ene nasefo ababedi wachi na atoshi mu ababedi wachi na waje o ma wo awo atu no sa na ye besre se fani die ma sister 3 MPs no nso a omo nso o makọ mpacho ai so no de nkwamhye ne ma ni kodi akire
Yes.
se nkwamhye ne se na atoshi baba be ye vice president enti na ma na kodi na chi no se wate ase aha enti ye pa ne chew na atoshi ba waje ne kama honorable yeserew eni die mu a papa na yedi na chi no oya asumdwe hene enti ye pa wo chew sanya woji we mu fel so no ma yenso yanyi 63 yi fe ni entina se asumdwe mu Bible say betimi anke ye ni pani na entina se asumdwe mu nti ena de ye ba na asumdwe mu so wochina stika sorry no san kogina radio station na wochina no si honorable amprechum ni natefo so a wan hwe ya papa ye baba be ka ma bia ka wo because ye hu ni se untu nkrofo ne fo ena kwasi kwaten enam baabi no ka we na we papa yesrew wo ye party ba wo so betna party ni mu wo de obetete yen atete yen ye pa cho mame nko NDA so